Hi everyone, I hope you've all enjoyed the first week of the summer holidays. The skate park is officially open. It's the perfect place for skating enthusiasts to come together, show off their skills and have an amazing time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is definitely the place to be. The ramps, rails and obstacles are all set up for you to try out new tricks and push yourself to the limit. So grab your board, gather your friends and head on over to the skate park for some epic sessions and unforgettable memories. I even had a go myself. You may notice that some of the areas of the site are still fenced off. These areas will eventually be covered in grass, so we kindly ask you to stay off these areas for your own safety and to allow the grass to grow. Just a reminder that our resident survey is live. We want to hear from you about living in Merthyr Tudful. Tell us about your experiences of your local area, your views on council services, such as education, social care, transport and recycling, and how we can improve things to make Merthyr Tudful an even better place to live. Cyfarthfa Castell are hosting an array of activities such as arts and crafts workshops, lawn games, wallpaper printing and many more. Keep an eye out on the What's On section of their website. The school's inspector at Estyn started a new cycle of inspections in September last year. Since then, I'm pleased to say that all the schools whose reports have been published, Gweithgareddau Primary, Dowlais Primary, Blessed Carlo Acutis and Greenfield Special School have had positive inspection outcomes. Well done to all the staff at these schools and all our other schools for their hard work. The inspections are still ongoing, so I'm looking forward to seeing more positive outcomes in the very near future. That's all from me this week. I hope you have a lovely weekend and continue to enjoy the holidays. Diolch.